Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine and doing well. You know that we have accomplished chapter number 2. We are going to start the practical work today, inshallah, because we need to go through Microsoft Word. We have to do practicals for Microsoft Word, Excel, and Urdu in page. Okay. I would like to give you the link of the software from where you can download Microsoft Office, uh, which will be basically a cracked version, and it will be quite convenient for you to download and install it from there. I'm going to explain you today Microsoft Word, and using Microsoft Word, we are going to have some demonstration for different tools. When you click on Microsoft Word, you take a new file, and when you select a new file, blank file will be given to you. And over here, you know that there is file menu, there is new option to take new file, save, to save the files, save as, to make another copy of the file. Similarly, we have got print option, share option. Okay, all these options are there. So if I go to save, I can save if I want to make a copy of the file. So these are the basic things available in file menu. If you come towards the home menu, there are different options available: bold, italic, underline, left align, right align, justified. All these options are there, for which we need to have some text, in order to apply these all options. For example, if I go to Google, and if I type over here computer network, okay, I'm going to take some text from here, that on which I need to apply some formatting. Okay, I select this text, I come over here and I paste it over here. Yeah, or let's suppose if I take this type of text, I select it over here and I paste it over here. Now we can apply some different formatting options. These are the options. Now we have taken some data. You can see that when we take the data from internet, it comes in this format, which is having different colors and all these things. If you select all these, and if you go to this option, there is an option of clear all formatting. So when you click on it, so the formatting will be clear. Formatting will be done. Now there is no formatting applied on the text. Similarly, if it is bold or italic, you can remove bold or italic. Okay, you can change the color of the text. If you select Control A, if you press Control A, go to this option and apply black color on it. So black color will be applied to it. If there is some error mistake, something like that, you can do that mistake as well, correct it. You can apply double underline, underline, dotted underline, dash underline. These all options are there that you can apply, bold, italic, underline. Cross is used when you need to apply some, when you need to apply some, text correction. For example, old price, you are going to cross the old price, and new price, you are going to write the new price, just like you would have seen on the hoardings, that how they write. Okay, so such kind of operations are there that we can apply. So I'm going to give you a complete video about these topics, about Microsoft Word, in which you are going to see, you know, in which you are going to see that I have explained all these menus. Okay, all these menus. There is nothing like that we don't understand. And if you go to line spacing, this option is there. We can change the line spacing, space between the lines, we can change it from here. Okay, first we can make it line spacing 0, and then accordingly we can take the line spacing 1, 1.5, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0 according to our requirement. Okay, similarly, if you want to apply the color to the text, you can apply. You want to change the case of the text, uppercase, so all the text will become uppercase. If you want to take lowercase, capitalize each word, means all words will be started from capital letter. Small, if you want to take lowercase, all letters will become small. If you take sentence case, every sentence will start from a capital letter and the rest of the sentence will be in the small case. So this is how we are going to deal all these options: cut, copy, paste. Format painter is there. For example, if you have done some formatting on these three lines, let's suppose you have taken it in red color, you have applied bold, and you have applied this text design on it. Now you want to apply the same style over here on this line. So what you will do, you will select this, you will click on format painter, and you will apply a format painter over here. The same format will be applied to this text also. Okay, I hope all these points are clear about the home menu. If you go to the bullets and numberings, you know that bullets and numberings are used to apply the bullets. For example, these are the bullet options. You can go and you can check, you can take this option, you can take this option, you can take circle, you can take any pyramid, diamond design, or even if you are interested to have any image as a bullet, so you can go and you can define any bullet using a picture. If you have got any good picture that you want to set as a bullet design, but if you have, then of course then you will be able to do it. For example, I want to take this picture as a bullet, so I can take the bullet, and this picture will come as a bullet point. And I can add multiple topics over here. So we can take the bullet as an image as well, and we can take the bullet points over here as numbering and all these which are given over here. But numbering has got some other option, which is number in brackets, number simple decimal numbers, capital letters, small letters in the parentheses, Roman numbers. All these numbers are also there that we can apply by selecting it. You can apply, you can select it, you can remove this numbering, and you can apply these Roman numbers or something like that, decimal numbers. If you want to apply decimal numbers, so decimal number will be applied to it. So basically it's up to us that how we are going to deal with it. If you select the text or paragraph, if you go to this option, then you can apply the background color, background fill color will be applied using this option. So this is the thing that we can do by, we can undo by Control Z and Control Y for redo. So these are the basic operations, Microsoft Word and Excel you would have done in your earlier grades as well. So what I am going to do, I am going to give you one video of the lesson, for this lesson. And that video will contain the complete two videos I am going to give you. Complete demonstration is there for Microsoft Word. I hope all these points are clear up to here. If we will go to our syllabus, if you will go to our syllabus, you will be able to see that let me show you the syllabus of the practical. These are the practical SLOs. If you go and if you see the practical SLOs, you will be able to see over here that in Microsoft Word, creating a new document, saving a document, opening a document, printing a document. Okay. So I have also explained you how to create, how to save, how to open, how to print. Print, that if the printer is attached, just like with my laptop, printer is attached. Printer is going to show you that it is already attached, and if you switch on the printer and if you connect the wire of the printer, you will be able to give print over here. Okay. Then what are the SLOs given over here? Inserting and editing text, selecting text, copying and moving text, deleting text, changing font size, font style, effects. All effects are there. If you select the text, you will see that these are the different designs of the headings which are given over here. We can apply these options. Similarly, you will go to the design effects of the text. So you will be able to see that there are designs available using which we can apply different designs to the text as well. We can change the design from here. We can apply all these options from here. So we need to explore the insert menu. You know, if you will see over here, inserting symbols, equations, paragraph formatting, page formatting, inserting section break, header and footer, inserting page numbers and margin, changing page margins, inserting and positioning pictures, how we can do all these things. So insert menu is very important to learn. So I am going to explain you over here the insert menu. Insert menu. If you will see the insert menu, first option is there cover page. Cover page, you know, if you want to take the cover page for your file, for example, you are making a computer practical file, so you will make one cover page over there. You can take any design. You will take the cover page, it will give you the page like this. You can see over here. So you are going to write over here that this is practical number or a practical computer practical file. Okay, or you will insert some image. Now you will see that how the cover page will look like. This is the first page, which is basically the cover page, then second page, then third page. All pages are coming over here. So cover page can automatically be inserted, you know, you can see over here using this option. And even then we can change the cover page and we can change the color of the cover pages, you know, according to our wish. We can go and we can take any other color design of the cover page depending on our requirement, that what kind of color is there that we want to take, and then we can do it accordingly. If you go to insert menu, second option is there that you can take a blank page. For example, after cover page you want to have a blank page over here, so bring your mouse cursor over here and then click on blank page. One blank page has come between the cover page and the first page. Okay, this is the way. If you want to apply over here my mouse cursor, see where is my mouse cursor? My mouse cursor is there. If you want to apply page break means the next passage will come from the next page. This is called page break. Insert table, you can insert the table, you know, you can insert the table, you know. For example, over here if you want to insert a table of n number of rows and columns, 5 rows, 3 columns, depending on your requirement, you can insert table and you can type text in it. And when you have typed text, then you will see that the design menu will appear. And over here in this design menu you are going to see the different layouts which are available, you know, different table styles, and you can select any of the style according to your requirement. You can select any of the style. I hope that these all points are clear. Whenever you insert some object, whenever you insert some object, you know, format and design and layout, these menus are going to appear. Just like this layout menu is specially related to the tables. You can add more rows and columns. For example, bring over here your mouse cursor, and if you want to add more rows, you can add more rows. If you want to delete, for example, this line if you want to delete. So click over here, go to the delete option, delete row, you can delete the row. Okay. So in insert menu, we have got table option, and whenever we insert table, you get these two menus, design and layout, design and layout, using which you are going to make your Microsoft Word. You are going to make your formatting done. So over here, I am giving you the links of the softwares which are required to you, just like WinRare is required to you to unzip the softwares. MS Office is required, where you are going to work for your practical Word and Excel, and Urdu in Page software. So all these softwares are very necessary, very important for us, and I am going to give you the links for these softwares. Similarly, Urdu in page is also important. So here is the in page, and I can show you that these links are working. I paste it over here. You can go and check that. You can download in page from here. You will click on it, the in page will be downloaded. For example, download link 1, click on it. You know, this will be opened, click on it. You will see over there that download has been started for Urdu in page. Simple. So I'm giving you the link over here. Okay. So WinRare I have given you, Urdu in page link I have given you, MS Office link, cracked version I have given you, this complete process, and this is your assignment as well. What is your assignment? Assignment is that install the following, install the above mentioned softwares in your PCs, whether these are laptops or desktops. We need to have desktop or laptop PC, then you will be able to do it properly. You will not be able to apply these options, you know, on cell phone in a proper way, especially if you talk about Urdu typing and all these things. So we can write in Urdu, in cell phone as well. We can type in by voice typing, even, you know, we can type Urdu, but we have to prepare ourselves regarding exams, practical demonstrations, and software installation. So installation, I have covered these things. Okay, I hope that all these points are clear. If you have got any question, please ask me. Thank you so much, all of you.